Okay, so you want to make a propane tank stove? This is the right video for you. So I got a 20-pound propane tank that's been devalved, and where the old valve stem hole is, a large bolt's been inserted so I can keep heat in the top. I've left the carry handle on as another carry handle, and I've cut the opening at the bottom so that we can maintain a heat thermal layer here on the top. And let me shine my light in there. I'll show you what I got going on. There's been a small grate inserted so that my alcohol burner can fit right in there, like so. And get a nice, good draw with air around it. Now, the black stove you see in the other videos has been treated with high temperature stove black paint so that you won't have this burn anymore, although this wouldn't even hurt anything, and except an aesthetic issue, but it'd make the tank last a lot longer if you treated it with some high quality paint like I did the 30-pound. And I've left the base just originally the way it was, so it has a stand. And you can, if you keep this going and you get the right burner in it, you could easily keep your living room nice and warm in these winter months. And stay nice and warm inexpensively. There's a good light on it, as well as my dog. But the only tool used during this was an angle grinder just to cut this opening. I have many videos available showing how to do that, and I have videos available showing how to make these small, inexpensive alcohol burners. Now you can use regular ethyl alcohol in here or hand sanitizer. I wouldn't burn methanol though, because that can release some poisonous fumes. So be safe, be aware.